Background, narrator, are you tired of spending hours scrubbing pots and pans after cooking a delicious meal? Do you wish there was a cookware set that would make your life in the kitchen easier? Well, look no further. Introducing the Ninja NeverStick Professional 16-piece pots and pans set, the ultimate kitchen essential for every home chef. Narrator, this 16-piece set has everything you need to whip up amazing meals for your family and friends. From non-stick frying pans to a stock pot, sauce pan, glass lids, and saute pan, this set has it all. And the best part? It's designed to never stick, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. The kitchen with the Ninja Cookware Set, narrator. Whether you're a busy parent trying to get a quick and easy meal on the table or a seasoned chef looking to elevate your culinary skills, the Ninja NeverStick Professional set is perfect for you. Its versatility allows you to cook a wide range of dishes with ease. Meal prepared with the Ninja Cookware Set. Narrator, the main benefit of the Ninja NeverStick Professional set is its non-stick surface, which means you can cook with less oil and butter, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. The pots and pans are also designed to distribute heat evenly, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly every time. Set on different types of stovetops, narrator. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stovetop, the Ninja NeverStick Professional set is compatible with all types, making it a versatile option for any kitchen. Its durable construction ensures that it will last for years to come, even with daily use. Competitors' cookware set, narrator, compared to other cookware sets on the market, the Ninja NeverStick Professional set stands out for its quality and performance. While other non-stick pans may wear out over time, the Ninja set is designed to last, saving you money in the long run. Experience with the Ninja Cookware Set, customer. I love my Ninja Cookware Set. It has made cooking so much easier and cleanup is a breeze. I don't know how I ever lived without it. Narrator, with the Ninja NeverStick Professional set, you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying delicious meals with your loved ones. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen today with the ultimate cookware set. Narrator, don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your cooking experience. Order your Ninja NeverStick Professional 16-piece pots and pans set now and start cooking like a pro.